Cybersecurity is a critical component of our modern digital world. With the increasing reliance on technology for communication, commerce, and entertainment, the need to protect our data and information from cyber threats has never been more important. Cybersecurity is the practice of protecting computers, servers, mobile devices, networks, and data from malicious attacks. These attacks can come in many forms, including viruses, malware, ransomware, phishing scams, and hacking. The goal of cybersecurity is to prevent these attacks from compromising the confidentiality, integrity, and availability of our information. There are many different aspects of cybersecurity that work together to create a comprehensive defense against cyber threats. One of the most important components is encryption, which involves encoding data so that only authorized users can access it. Encryption is used to protect sensitive information such as passwords, financial data, and personal communications. Another key aspect of cybersecurity is network security, which involves securing the connections between devices and networks to prevent unauthorized access. This includes setting up firewalls, monitoring network traffic, and implementing access controls to limit who can connect to a network. In addition to encryption and network security, cybersecurity also involves implementing strong authentication measures to verify the identity of users and devices. This can include using passwords, biometric data, security tokens, and multi-factor authentication to ensure that only authorized users can access sensitive information. Cybersecurity also involves monitoring and detecting potential threats in real time. This can include using intrusion detection systems, security information and event management (SIEM) tools, and threat intelligence to identify and respond to cyber threats before they can cause harm. In the event of a cyber attack, cybersecurity professionals must be prepared to respond quickly and effectively to mitigate the damage. This can involve isolating infected systems, removing malware, restoring data from backups, and implementing security patches to prevent future attacks. Overall, cybersecurity is a constantly evolving field that requires a combination of technical expertise, strategic planning, and proactive measures to protect our digital assets. As technology continues to advance and cyber threats become more sophisticated, the need for strong cybersecurity measures will only continue to grow. In conclusion, cybersecurity is an essential component of our digital world that helps to protect our information, privacy, and security from malicious attacks. By understanding the importance of cybersecurity and implementing best practices, we can help to create a safer and more secure online environment for everyone.